Alright.
Hi traveler, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Aberdeen, Scotland, United Kingdom, Europe. Where the Dee and Don rivers meet the North Sea. Yes, there is located of Aberdeen. Aberdeen is port city as well. With an offshore petroleum industry, the city is home to an international population. Aberdeen is the third largest city in Scotland. Originally, the name was Aberdeen, which literally means at the mouth of Don River. That's why this area called Aberdeen, or known as Aberdeen now. This is Robert the Bruce statue. He was King of Scots from 1306 to his death in 1329. Robert was one of the most famous warriors of his generation. Scottish currency is Scottish pound sterling. These are the money looks like. Let's shopping. Union Square is a shopping center located in the center of Aberdeen, Scotland, which opened to the public on Thursday, 29 October 2009. The center contains a covered shopping mall and retail park. When you travel around UK, you can easily find TK Maxx, which is TJ Maxx in US. On that store, you can find all branded stuff with good prices.
Alright.
Don't be jealous, boys. I also will kiss you. Who are you? He is Oor Wullie's bucket trails. He's 80 years old. Over 200 special design Oor Wullie statues have been placed across Scotland. Oor Wullie's big bucket trails take place in Scotland in summer. Yay! As you all know, this is what kind of place what I love. Welcome to Codona's Amusement Park. Ooh, 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 ooh. This place was established by the Codona family in 1970 and is currently managed by the third generation of the family. It is situated adjacent to the Aberdeen beach and Queen's Link on the coast of the North Sea. Yes, this park is by the sea. After this, I will take you to the beach. Welcome to Aberdeen Beach, known as Beach Boulevard. I'm enjoying hot chocolate a la promenade cafe with the view beach of Boulevard Aberdeen. The Golden Highlander was a line infantry regiment of the British Army that existed for 113 years. It's just a random picture of Aberdeen.
And it seemed everlasting that you would always be mine. Now you wanna be free, yeah, so I'm letting you fly. Cause I know in my heart, babe, our love will never die, no. You'll always be a part of me, I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Oh, darling, cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can't erase a feeling that's strong. No way, you're never gonna shake me. Oh, darling, cause you'll always be my baby. I ain't gonna cry, no, I won't beg you to stay. If you're determined to leave, girl, I will not stand in your way. But inevitably, you'll be back again. Cause you know in your heart, babe, our love will never end. No, you'll always be a part of me, I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can't erase a feeling that's strong. No way, you're never gonna shake me. Ooh, darling, cause you'll always be my baby. I know that you'll be back, girl, when your days and your nights get a little bit colder. Oh, I know that you'll be right back. Oh, baby, believe me, it's only a matter of time. You'll always be a part of me, I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby, and we'll linger on. Time can't erase a feeling this strong. No way, you're never gonna shake me. Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby.
You'll always be a part of me.
You will always be.
Girl, don't you know you can't escape me?
Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share my channel, and do put your comment on below. I will show you more tips with learning local and discovery. See you on the next video.